So again, what to look for in a fulfillment center: same day order fulfillment. They offer you the ability to garner price position when it comes to discounted shipping rates. That they have the ability to have 100% inventory accuracy, order accuracy, and fulfillment rate. They have a good understanding of any and all compliance requirements, both internal and external, through the retail channels. There is complete transparency. They talk to you about the potential pitfalls you might encounter, the things that they see with your products, known failure methods and points, all of those. They offer you a customized fulfillment service that meets specifically your needs, not just a box stock service offering. And this is big because a lot of, whether it's a 3PL service or something like Amazon, what they offer you is a box stock service offering. They tell you, this is what we offer, this is how we do it, this is our method. And a good 3PL will customize your fulfillment method to what best fits your product and best fits your consumers' needs. The next point, dedicated customer service. So that's customer service not only to your order fulfillment, but customer service when it comes to the communication pieces, being an extension of your business, watching out for your business and your products and your customers, all of those things. And as the final point says, is a true extension of your business and a valued partnership, something where you both look to grow together and build together.
And that's something that Scarborough definitely prides itself on, is just acting as if we are part of your business. So we definitely customize solutions and we establish those personal relationships, and we definitely help walk you through anything that you need.